Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. As you can see, I put this LED 4x4 together, but these three LEDs right here are no good. Something's going on, they're not working, even though I tested each group once I soldered them, but I don't know. But anyway, this is a kit that you can get off Amazon. Something nice to do, give you some soldering practice. You got to solder everything on here with the LEDs underneath. You have a little speaker here. It plays music. If I can get it to work here. I think I unplugged it. Turn that back off. But it's got a couple different modes and everything, kind of cool. So I'll throw a link in the description for this, but not too hard to put together. Got to solder these little wires on. There's your power, your music, your mode, and like I said, you have your you got to solder the MCU on, the LEDs, the capacitors, which there's a couple of them there. So then solder the USB connector on, the toggle switches. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.